also to keep the peace. We are in a campaign season. I've been asking my colleagues in the Ngao to ensure that we do everything we can to keep our communities together. Our responsibility is to ensure that our country remains safe and secure even through this transition period. That we support our people, and we have now begun a new method of doing this. We were working with Nyumba Kumi, village elders, and grassroots leaders across the board, whether they're women leaders, youth leaders, and so on, to try, and enhance peace. We have a program that sometimes goes unnoticed by the Ministry of Interior and our peace building committee. The program has now been funded even more this year because of the elections, and we have received some support from development partners to ensure that we create and enhance peace committees across the country, bring all segments of the population to be involved in ensuring that the campaigns do not become an excuse to destabilize the country.